Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post multiple photos on Instagram. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step you need to do is to open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you simply need to click on the plus icon in the bottom and you can select pictures from gallery. So at one time you can select up to 10 pictures. I'm going to select 4 as an example, but I show you that you can select up to 10, so you can see that. But for this video I am going to upload only 4, so let me unselect these all photos. So let's post 8 and click on the next icon in the top right, and here you can add filters if you want. Then you need to click on next in the top right again, click on next again, and here you need to add caption, and then you need to click on the tick mark in the top right, and then these pictures will be posted on your Instagram profile. So this is the process by which you can add multiple photos on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.